This is my work shed. I have sent an SMS to get it heated 20 minutes ago. Warm and cozy. The shed is heated with electricity. The shed is irregularly in use. No permanent internet. No moisture is accepted since there are many iron tools. No freezing temperatures since there are water containers. The temperature when working has to exceed 18 degrees Celsius. Warning by SMS needed if sub-zero temperatures are detected. Solution: DSMS cottage temperature control. This instance of the system is based on the Raspberry Pi 3A+.